Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Thursday and we're going to start off today with SPY once again. We're still dumping, still dropping. This thing's probably not going to stop till it reaches here. Might get a bounce. Not really sure how much of a bounce, but I think just in general, we're going to see SPY moving sideways in this channel until some momentum picks up one way or the other. I mean, it's been in this sideways channel since last year around May or April, so yeah, it may just continue to channel here until we see some serious momentum one way or the other. But anyways, Bitcoin is kind of following that sentiment. This trend's no longer accurate. Seems like that triple top kind of was for real. It is holding on tightly to this little zone here for support, but we'll have to see if it can hold that through today or if it'll fall down to another zone here. But it's still kind of impressive how it's holding this zone for so long. It's been above this area for about a week. Before that, it's just stuck in this area here. So if it can kind of do the same thing it did here, even if it dumps down like it did here and then hits another strong bounce, it could do something like that. So anyway, Zcash, this was a bad trade. Probably just not a convincing enough close there on the 4 hour. I thought this was a pretty good zone, but I did mention that going into this trade that I wasn't too sure about this close. So yeah, it didn't work out, but happens. On the Wi-Fi here, it's having itself a day up almost 10%. I'm waiting for it to come back to this zone for the retest, so I can put in a long trade, but we'll see if it manages to even come back down to that zone. In this zone, you could say it comes down to this one here, but I figured since it already had its break and retest of that zone, it's probably looking to come back to something more something closer than that other zone. On the Forex, I have EUR/CHF. This one just keeps bouncing. I'm actually going to probably pull my take profit to this top of this zone here. It just keeps bouncing off that, so I'm just ready to get out of this trade, and it just doesn't seem to want to break one way or the other, so I'll just take my profits if it can reach that zone once again. So GBP, JPY in drawdown currently. This was just a break and retest, but we'll have to see if this zone can hold a support. Is a pretty strong resistance there for a while. Of course, that last trade, the one time I got in, is the one time it broke. So if it fell through, that would be quite a bummer. But UCAD, we did get a winner here after almost getting stopped out there, but yeah, took some profits and feeling good about that. NZD CAD still hasn't. I'll pull that down to the bottom here. Euro AUD, yeah, I was thinking about taking a short there. Ended up not doing it. And I can't really tell you why, but I just didn't feel like doing it. Probably had to do with just, you know, the recent bounce there, but it does look like it's gonna have another test there. We'll see maybe if it breaks that resistance or not. I think also with this spike through the resistance, it's not the most reliable. I mean, you could have pulled off a lot of shorts here like I did there, but yeah, I just didn't feel like it was a good trade at the moment. So we're on to AUD NZD here, close to stopping out. Thought it was a good break, thought it was a good zone. We did have that drop down to this other zone here before, same here. So I did put my stop just below that. I probably didn't make it big enough. I probably should have actually put the trade entry at this zone, probably the safer zone to take, but yeah, who knows, we could pull back. We'll have to see. GPAUD, this one hasn't come back for a retest, and it may not, but yeah, with that, that's all I got for today. Let me know what you guys have been trading down in the comments, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe on your way out.